Ever get tired of waiting for your paycheck to clear? Of constantly checking your bank balance to see if it's finally hit? Or maybe you're just looking for a more streamlined, automated way to manage your finances. If any of that resonates, then you're in the right place because today we're diving deep into setting up direct deposit with SoFi. Now, before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch on why direct deposit is such a game changer. Think about it. No more trips to the bank to deposit checks, no more waiting for funds to clear, and often, you get access to your money faster. Plus, many financial institutions, including SoFi, offer perks like early access to your paycheck when you set up direct deposit. Who doesn't want their money a little sooner? So, you're ready to ditch the paper checks and embrace the convenience of electronic transfers. Great! Here's a comprehensive guide on how to set up direct deposit with SoFi. First things first, you'll need to gather some key information. This includes your SoFi account number and their routing number. You can easily find this information in a few different ways. The easiest way is through the SoFi mobile app or their website. Once you're logged in, look for your account details or profile section. The routing number is consistent for all SoFi checking accounts, but your account number is specific to you. Alternatively, you can find this information on a physical check if you've ordered checks for your SoFi account. The routing number is the 9-digit number located at the bottom left corner of the check, and your account number is the set of numbers immediately to the right of the routing number. Now that you have your account and routing numbers, you have two primary methods for setting up direct deposit, through your employer or directly with SoFi using their pre-filled direct deposit form. Let's start with the most common method, setting it up through your employer. Most employers have a payroll or human resources department that handles direct deposit setups. Typically, they'll provide you with a direct deposit authorization form. This form will ask for information like your name, social security number, your bank's name, which is SoFi, the bank's routing number, your account number, and the type of account, checking or savings. It's crucial to double-check all the information you provide on this form, especially the routing and account numbers. Even a single-digit error can cause delays or even misdirected deposits. Once you've filled out the form accurately, submit it to your employer's payroll or HR department. They'll then process the request and coordinate with SoFi to initiate the direct deposit. The second method involves using SoFi's pre-filled direct deposit form. This is particularly useful if your employer doesn't have a specific form or if you're setting up direct deposit for benefits like Social Security or tax refunds. To access SoFi's pre-filled direct deposit form, you'll need to log into your SoFi account either through the app or the website. Look for resources, forms, or direct deposit setup options. SoFi usually provides a downloadable form that already has their routing number pre-filled. You'll just need to add your account number and other personal information. Once you've completed the form, you can provide it to the relevant institution, such as a government agency or other payer. Just like with your employer's form, accuracy is key here. Double-check everything before submitting it. Now, let's address some common questions people have about setting up direct deposit with SoFi. First, how long does it take for direct deposit to start? This can vary depending on your employer's payroll cycle and processing times. Typically, it takes 1 to 2 pay cycles for direct deposit to become active. Your employer's payroll department can give you a more precise time frame. Another common question is, can I split my direct deposit into multiple accounts? The answer is often yes. Many employers allow you to split your paycheck into different accounts, such as depositing a portion into your SoFi checking account and another portion into a savings account. You'll need to check with your employer's payroll department to see if this option is available and what the process is for setting it up. You'll simply provide the necessary account and routing information for each account you want to deposit into. What if I change jobs? If you switch employers, you'll need to set up direct deposit with your new employer. You'll use the same process we've discussed, providing them with your SoFi account and routing numbers. Remember to also inform your previous employer that you're no longer employed there to avoid any confusion with future payroll. Now, let's talk about some of the advantages of setting up direct deposit with SoFi. One of the biggest perks is often early access to your paycheck. With direct deposit, SoFi may make your funds available up to 2 days early, depending on when they receive the payment instructions from your employer. This can be a huge benefit, especially if you're living paycheck to paycheck or need access to your funds quickly. Another advantage is the convenience and automation it provides. You no longer have to worry about manually depositing checks or waiting for them to clear. Your funds are automatically deposited into your account on payday, making managing your finances much easier. Direct deposit also reduces the risk of lost or stolen checks. Since the funds are transferred electronically, there's no physical check to worry about. This adds an extra layer of security and peace of mind. Finally, setting up direct deposit is usually free. Neither SoFi nor most employers charge a fee for this service. It's a simple, convenient, and cost-effective way to manage your finances. So, to recap, setting up direct deposit with SoFi is a straightforward process. You'll need your SoFi account and routing numbers, which you can find in the app, on the website, or on a physical check. You can then set up direct deposit through your employer's payroll department or by using SoFi's pre-filled direct deposit form. Remember to double-check all the information you provide to avoid any errors. Direct deposit offers numerous benefits, including early access to your paycheck, convenience, automation, and increased security. It's a valuable tool for managing your finances effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.